Taken by a big lorry Aldi.
This is Melbourne as we're driving along.
Turn left, then right turn ahead.
Yet. Oh, it's a station.
Yeah.
Huh. Railway station. Very grand. Welcome to sunny Melbourne. Oh my goodness. What is it, Larry?
You have reached your destination.
Everyone thinks we're in the sunshine. You can see all this rain, and there's a sign saying Melbourne is on water restrictions. Great. Right.
Oh.
This is our campsite.
Are we on video?
Yeah.
Okay, this is about the smallest site we've ever had, and it's a square site, so that's about all we get. And I've hit a tree back here, and I'm very lucky that I didn't do any further damage into this guy's awning on the side of his van.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
So they're going to bring me a spade and a shovel and a big stake, and this is my job for the evening, is to replant this tree. I mean, it's a fantastic tree. You can see it's a gum tree, and I don't know.
You say you're very close to that plant behind you.
Produces any bananas or anything.
Oh my goodness.
So here, Bernie's a tree expert.
Oh, I heard that.
2 shakes of a lamb's tail and it's right again. And Audrey's having a lesson in forestry here, aren't you?
Horticulture here.
Maybe do better and say it's not the first time this has happened.
There we are, right as rain.
Really? Fire up, see us it goes. So, are you lily puddians, or is that what I call them?
Scousers.
Scousers?
Liverpudlians.
Liverpudlians. Puddings. Yeah, we're pudding poms, aren't we, love? So what kind of a tree is this anyway?
Hakea.
A hakea.
Yeah, it's Australian native.
Okay.
Hakea pin cushion. So it has like flowers that actually look like pin cushions.
Okay. That's a hakea, and I right now I hate you.
The tree stood there doing nobody any harm.
Oh, well, did.
Would have been shot for the fella in the caravan. He'd come back. It wasn't fixed.
It'll be alright.